So, Arsenal 3, Nottingham Forest 0. We've finally got a win, the first win of November. We've bagged 3 goals. Savio's just missed a sitter. Oh, my days, what a save. This game's crazy, by the way. Anyone who ain't watching this game, watch this game. Full game. But yeah, we kept a clean sheet. 3 different goal scorers, all cracking goals as well. Could have had about 3 or 4 more. But Nottingham Forest were awful. I can't lie. I think the international break came at the wrong time for them and the right time for us. Mix and match squad today, or starting 11, should I say. Some fantastic performances, but some awful ones as well. I can't lie. But listen, Jez, it's nice to get back to winning ways. You obviously watched the game. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. It'll be in the title. What did you make of that, mate?
Well, let's be honest. Nottingham Forest didn't turn up. I wasn't at any shows last night, but I was on one show and I put some comments in. I said, if Forest turn up with their midfield, we're fucked. Sorry, shouldn't have said.
No, don't worry, man.
And they didn't turn up. They were terrible. I did a watch long with the young long-haired Yeti, and bless him, he said they were shocked. Nottingham Forest was shocking. They were terrible. But hey, am I happy about the win? Of course I'm happy about the win. It's 3 points. It's 3 goals. If we'd had a proper striker league, that could have been 5, could have been 6. They were awful. We carved them apart. They were sitting on the back foot. They didn't know what to do with us. And how can I justify this in saying it's a great result? Because it is a great result. It's 3 points. It's 3.
Yep.
But
it was comfy, wasn't it? Comfy.
But we played a very, very poor team. And we know, Lee, we know. All the it's the greatest win we've got back. Oh, Arteta's back. Oh, it's all brilliant. Oh, fucking hell, here we go. Bollocks. Bollocks. Because up against next week, we're up against Sporting Lisbon away. Let's see about that one, shall we, people? Right? Let's not get all gassed up and carried away. Because at the end of the day, Nottingham Forest were awful. We got away with it from minute 1 because they were shit. I'm not going to sit here, Lee. Sorry. And I'm waxing lyrical. But at the end of the day, I'm a realist. I see what happens. Right? We were good today against a shit team.
And the thing is, they've been overperforming this season anyway.
Yeah.
Let's not forget they lost their last game out against Newcastle. Yeah, but they are a good team. Yeah, the decision making of their manager today was atrocious. I can't lie. Yeah, why Chris Wood was sat on the bench is mad to me. Yeah, I know he's been playing out in New Zealand. He scored a hat-trick for his nation and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe a little bit of jet lag. But that striker they had up front today, I know he scored against us last season. Yeah, and he caused us a lot of problem last season. He offered nothing, mate. Gabriel Saliba pocketed him. Calafiori today, I thought was quality at times. Yeah, I thought Trossard started well and then faded. Timber, everything that was good in that first half came through him. Yeah, Odegaard, I thought that's the best game he's had for a long time. But again, yeah, this is Odegaard.
But he had all the space.
Yeah, he had all the space, exactly. And when it goes well for Arsenal, Odegaard purrs. He's like Ozil. Yeah, he looks amazing. I want to see Odegaard do that performance on Tuesday. Do a performance like that on Tuesday and take your chances. Yeah, because he had a chance on his left foot today. Yeah, and he took a touch. I'm like, bruv, hit it. Then he splashed it with his right. It's like, I thought he was man of the match. I thought he was the best player today. I thought Saka was good today. Yeah, I thought Thomas Partey's goal was class as well. Yeah, we were probably all sitting there thinking in our heads, as he's getting the ball, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Because I normally go out the stadium. What a goal. Yeah, and then the boy comes off the bench. He probably should have come on earlier, but the boy comes off the bench, jinked round somebody straight away and had a shot. Yeah, and then bang, scored. Yeah, and that right there, yeah, he didn't take a touch, he just hit it. That is what you do. When you're in the penalty box, you know you're gonna get closed down. I want to see him start more games. Yeah, or at least get a lot more than 10, 15 minutes at the end of a game. I want to see him get a whole half or 30 minutes. Yeah, because he looks like a talent, mate. I can't lie. He looks very, very good.
I've said this. Now, I've got a question for you, and you can talk about this in your emergency stream. Question. Technicality, right? Referee gives a free kick. Forest player passes it to him, drops it.
It's a party, and he just drop kicked it. I said exactly the same on the stream, Chess. I was like, how's he let the party get away with drop kicking the ball on a free kick? He literally was like a goalkeeper, wasn't he? Just let it go and kicks it. Yeah, but did you notice as well, Mikel Merino got away with no yellow card today. He should have had 4 yellow cards in that game. And then Aina, when Trossard kicked the ball, Trossard's follow-through kicked Aina's foot in the first half. Aina got booked. Yeah, then Marino wiped some geezer out, jogged away from the scene and got away with it. Yates then got booked a couple of minutes later for exactly the same thing. I was like, I don't want to hear nothing about refs. Yeah, because we had a lot of good decisions in that game today. Marino should have been sent off twice. 4 yellow cards. Yeah, but it is what it is. Yeah, we've won the game. Yeah, Tottenham are currently 2-0 up at the Etihad. Yeah, which, yeah, whilst that's great, any team that could bottle a 2-0 lead is Tottenham. We see that against Brighton a couple of weeks ago. And this game's been end-to-end. But Liverpool play Southampton tomorrow. So it's kind of irrelevant. Well, it's not irrelevant, but it's less relevant because Liverpool are top of the league. Yeah. So if Liverpool beat Southampton tomorrow, they'll go further clear. They'll be back to 9, and they'll be, what, 7 or 8 ahead of City? And then you've got to start looking at them and side-eyeing them. Yeah, and we've played them. Obviously, we've got to play them at their ground. Yeah, but Man City, they're not the biggest threat right now. And everyone's going to laugh and say, Man City finished, ha, ha, ha. But it's typical Arsenal not to win a league. And City don't win the league for the first time in 5 years. But then Liverpool go and win it. Like, where do you see us, Jez, going forward on Tuesday? Because I think we all raised an eyebrow with that starting 11. Yeah, but let's be real. Yeah, Mikel Arteta is getting paid 8 or 15 million a year now to make these decisions. We didn't see Martinelli. We didn't see 29. Yeah, we see obviously Zinchenko come off the bench, which is ironically when they started getting back into it. But they didn't offer nothing. Obviously, Sporting Lisbon's a big test, isn't it? And if we lose that, I think we're fucked. We'll be in a playoff, I think. But how do you see that going? Obviously, I think a few will be back in the team. Jorginho today, I thought, was a bit poor as well. I can't lie.
Look, let's put it right, Lee. It's a little bit of a different caliber here. Nottingham Forest, no disrespect to Nottingham Forest, right? The decent side, they've done very well so far. This is Europe now, right? Sporting Lisbon away, tricky. Yeah, let's get it right. Let's put it on the table and say, okay, Mikel Arteta, you got away with it today because we turned up. Well, we turned up against a team that was shit. They were crap, man. Let's put it on the table. We've now got to go there and play a team that actually are half decent. So let's actually see what cojones actually, Mikel Arteta, you've got. That's where you prove the pudding, right? Because at the end of the day, sitting there going, "Oh yeah, great, we beat Nottingham Forest 3-0, excellent, love it, 3 points, brilliant, fantastic." Go and prove it again. Go and show us what you can do in Europe.
Yeah,
because you haven't so far. You haven't done fuck all in Europe, man.
Apart from embarrass us. Yeah, and they won again yesterday, 6-0, albeit against, I think, a 3rd or 4th division team. Yeah. Gyökeres off the bench scored a penalty. I mean, he scored more goals this season for club and country than Arsenal has scored. He scored 33 goals this season. Yeah, that's just ridiculous, mate. Yeah, he's banging form at the minute, and we're going to have to be on our job because this guy is sharp as a razor, mate.
Let's show you something, Lee. Right?
Yeah, go
on. I'm building this history of Arsenal in my programs. Right? It's gonna be long. Right? Let me just try and show this one. A certain George Graham. Yeah. Cup Winners' Cup. First round, second leg, 93-94. A dense Boculub. Yeah.
Look at the price, £1.50.
Yeah. But what did we do, Lee? What did we do? Went on and won the fucking thing.
Exactly. Yeah, and that's the thing, yeah. Like,
I'm a Catholic fan, Lee. I don't know nothing about the club. I don't go. Didn't do fuck all. Yeah. I've got a bucket full of fucking programs there, but I'm picking through them.
Yeah, listen, it's good to educate people as well because like a lot of people don't get educated by our great club or once great club. Yes, it's nice that you have your channel to educate these people. Yeah, because people do want to get educated. Yeah, not everyone. there's a lot that don't give a shit. It's all about now. And they think that this era of football is the best it's been, and this is the best Arsenal they've ever seen. Yeah. Right. And they're not interested. Yeah. People were sitting there in my chat today saying, "Oh, what are you saying about Odegaard now?" I was like, bruv, we're playing Nottingham Forest. No disrespect to Forest, because they were once great club as well, yeah? Under Cloughy and all of that lot, yeah? Let's be real, we should be beating them. If he's the world-class player everyone keeps telling me he should be man of the match today. And to be fair, he was. Yeah? But at the same time, we've seen this with our club for so many years, Jez, yeah? But when it really matters, yeah, I'm watching this Man City-Tottenham game. Maddison's turned up and bagged twice today. Both goals quality. Yeah, it's end-to-end. Yeah, Vicario's having a good game. City could have bagged a few. Why have we not gone to the Etihad and played how Tottenham are playing today? We go there and park the bus and hope to hit on the counter-attack. Yeah, and listen, I don't want to give Tottenham praise. They're shit. And if any team can bottle a 2-0 lead, it's them. However, the way they're playing, they've got this lot rattled, mate. Yeah, we don't ever get them rattled, really. Let's be real. Yeah, we were 2-1 up against them the other week. But we always thought the way the game went with a red card, parking the bus and this and that, yeah, that they were going to get a goal. Yeah, this lot are coasting, really. Like, Haaland's missed a couple. Foden's missed one. Yeah, Savio's just missed one. They're pressing so high up the pitch. Maddison's dropping into left back. Yeah, they're on the break again here, Kulusevski. But, mate, the chances they're getting, just over the bar from Basuma, the chances they're getting, they're probably going to have more shots in this game on target against Man City than we've had in the last 3 or 4 games at their ground. Yeah, and this is why I get the because when it really matters, yeah, we don't do it. Yeah, this lot are never amounts to nothing. They're shit. So they're playing with no pressure, really. Because they know they don't have to win nothing. Yeah, but when we play with pressure, we fold. And that is why I get the Yeah, great performance today. Fantastic. Poor team. Yeah, poor performance from them. We took the win. We got a clean sheet. Happy days. We're back to winning ways. They're in again here. Son, he should have hit that. He should have hit that. He would have buried that. But it's what it is. Listen, shout your channel out, Jez. What you got coming up, mate? Arsenal history and more.
Just before we go, right? It sums this all up, right? Yeah. There you go. Nottingham Forest, battered them, right? Wednesday, 21st, 93. Yeah. What did it lead on to, Lee? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Us winning the cup.
The goal that took us to the FA Cup final. Hello, people. Hello.
Yeah.
Wankers.
It's all about trophies, mate. That's all the game's about.
That's
trophies.
What off, man. That's what fucks me. Anyway, there we go. Nice one, man. Catch you later.
No, I love Jez. Bless up, mate. Take care.